Hello students, we have already discussing in last two slides, that is the thing here, flow and error control mechanisms. We have already discussed about the stop and wait ARQ, that is the part of the flow and error control mechanism that is already discussed. And today we'll discuss about go back in ARQ. Okay, we have already told that the go back in ARQ are follow the sliding window protocol rule. That means that particular protocol we can send in at a time more than one frame. Okay, that is the thing. In stop and wait, there is a rule to control the flow, and the error detection method is that when it sends a frame, it must wait until it receive its acknowledgement from the receiver. So basically that was the drawback of stop and wait ARQ, that if that is the does not send, but that does not receive any acknowledgement from the receiver, that time actually that particular medium link is not used, that is that time the link was idle. So basically that is the drawback of stop and wait ARQ. So that particular drawback we can overcome in this protocol, that is go back in ARQ. Here, that is the using the sliding window protocol. Basically both are using a window that is slides towards from one frame to another frame. Here in sender side window, the size of the sender side window in go back in ARQ is, that is the at most 2 to the power n minus 1. At most 2 to the power n minus 1, that means 2 to the power n minus 1. What is the meaning of that? That is already told in sliding window protocol. That is, here n is an arbitrary number. Okay, if we consider n equals to 2, then what will be the maximum capacity of this window to store the sequence number of the frame? That will be 2 to the power 2. If n equals to 2, that will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Maximum will be 3. It may be less than 3 and it may at most 3. Okay, so here we considered at most 3 sequence number, and that is the number for the every sliding window protocol, that is follow the sequence number or start from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1, where the same the rule is n equals to an arbitrary number. So for n equals to 2, we consider the sequence number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, now here we consider from sender side window, we consider n is equal to 2, and here the at most sequence number, that is belongs to this sending side window, that is 0, 1 and 2. We'll start from 0. And here for go back in ARQ, the receiver side window size is always 1. So sender side window size is at most 2 to the power n minus 1, and receiver side window size is always 1. Okay, now the thing is that sequence number feature belongs to sender side window, it may send the frame without acknowledged. Okay, so here first of all 3 variable are considered in sender side window. That is, first of all, that is known as SF, that is point the first sequence number of this window. Another is SL, that is point the last sequence number of frame of this window. And another is only S, that is S equal to that which frame is right now sended from the sender side, sent from the sender side. Now the thing is, firstly F0 is sent from sender side, and every frame set a timer before sending it from sender side. So within this timer expire, it can send more than one frame, okay, one by one. And here the receiver side window, there have only one variable we consider, that is R, and that is point of which, that is, we know the size of the go back in ARQ is 1, and now the value is R equal to 0. That means receiver expecting frame number 0. So now suppose S equal to here also 0, that means sender wants to send S equal to 0, means that is the frame number 0 to be sent. So frame 0 is sent, then what happened? Actually next already frame 0 is sent, so next S will be frame number 1, like that, that is F1. But here when frame 0 is received by the receiver, receiver expecting frame number 0, that is actually belongs to this window, so it will accept this and slide it that particular window towards right, and next frame sequence number is 1, so that is next frame will be R equal to 1, that means it will expecting frame number 1. So second frame is F1 is there, and when receiver receive this, so that will accept it. Now suppose in the meantime it receive SEK2. That means what is the meaning of SEK2? That means it has already received frame number 0 and 1 and expecting frame number 2. So it will change from slide over from 1 to 2, and that will be the value of R right now. Value of R right now. Now when one acknowledgement is received by the sender, then what happened? When that means, that is the meaning of SEK2 is already 0 and 1 is accepted but received by the receiver. That means how can we consider that is basically acknowledgement are cumulative, because that is not required every acknowledgement is received by the sender. That means SEK2 means that is the already frame 0, 1 is received by the receiver. Okay, but that must be received within this time period, within this time not expire of frame 1 and frame 0, frame 0 and frame 1. Okay, so when acknowledgement received for 2, 0 and 1, the SEK2 is received, that means sender understood that already frame number 0 and 1 are acknowledged, so that particular window is slided towards right, like that. That will be the new sequence number of this window, that is start from 2, 3 and 0, because that 2, that is the meaning of that these 2 are already acknowledged, and that is right now belongs to this sliding window, and one by one that will be sent without acknowledged, and every frame must be set a timer before it's sent. Okay. Now we'll discuss about if a delayed acknowledgement received by the delayed acknowledgement, sorry, if we are discussing about if any frame lost throughout the medium or any damaged frame is received by the receiver, then what to do. Okay, so here is the go back in ARQ. Here if any frame lost in the medium or any damaged frame received by the receiver, then what happened? It receiver just discard the frame. So when within this time expire, but within this time set for a particular frame sent, with this, if acknowledgement not received, sender resend same frame again, and same frame and all after that particular frame. Okay, like this. Suppose for this example, if we consider here first frame is 0 1 2, that is belongs to sending side window. Here these one are SF and this is SL. So now first we'll send from the first frame of the window here, that is frame number 0, so that will be S. Okay, now send from here F0, and receiver side always be a single digit, that is the r equals to 0, because the size of the window in receiver side is 1, and here the receiver expecting frame number 0. So now frame 0 is accepted because that is expecting frame number 0. And secondly, within next after that is it is slide next, expecting frame will be r will be 1. Now second frame is already received by the receiver. Within the meantime, receiver send the acknowledgement, that is SEK2. When SEK2 is received by the sender, then it is slide towards right, and starting from, that means already 0 and 1 are acknowledged. Okay, and starting from frame number 2 to 0, 2 3 0 will be the, right now the frame sequence belongs to sending side window. Now frame 2 is received because here R is expecting 2, then frame 2 is received, and what happened, that is the slide will be towards here, that is right now R expecting, the receiver expecting frame number 3. And after that, with the meantime, F3 is also sent by the sender, and in the meantime that is lost or damaged. Okay, then what happened, and same that is going on, F2 is already sent, F3 is sent, that is lot, and next F0 is already sent from the sender side before getting any acknowledgement. Now what happened, here already F3 is damaged or lost in the medium, and receiver expecting frame number 3 because the size of the frame is only 1, and that is expecting frame number 3, but it received frame 0, frame sequence 0. So what happened, receiver discarded this because that is not expecting frame number 0, that will expecting frame number 3, and silent over about this discussion. And what happened, in the meantime the timer of all the frame is expire. Suppose frame 3 is expire, the timer of this frame is expired, then what happened, frame sender resend this frame F3 as well as F0 also, because if any damaged frame, but if any acknowledgement not received by the sender for a particular frame, so sender resend that particular frame and all after that frame. That is the rule of go back in ARQ. Okay, so that is the basically, if the frame is lost which is using go back in ARQ, then any frame that is not received by the receiver, that means sender understood no acknowledgement is received for a particular frame, then sender resend that frame and all after that frame that is already sent, that is retransmit again. Okay, now we'll go for what about problem occur when acknowledgement damaged or acknowledgement lost in the medium. Now we'll consider if any type of acknowledgement lost occur in the medium. Suppose for the first time, for first window, first we send F0, F1, then we acknowledgement receive SEK2. That means here the condition is if acknowledgement lost, suppose here in the meantime SEK1 is lost. Okay, and after that within this time span, within that particular time span is required for these window frames by window sequence numbers, then what happened, SEK2 means already SEK1 is received. That means we can say ACK2, that is the, we can consider the all acknowledgement are cumulative. That means ACK2 means already frame number 0 and 1 received by the receiver. They are not require any ACK1. Okay, but if the acknowledgement received after the time span expire, then what happened? That particular frame, suppose here frame 2 is sent, frame 3 sent, but acknowledgement 0, that is actually received acknowledgement 0. Suppose we have sent received acknowledgement 3. In the meantime, suppose here we received acknowledgement ACK 3. Now in the meantime, that means ACK 3 means we already sent, we know ACK 2, that means frame number 2 is already received. That means in the meantime, frame number receiver expecting frame number 3. So in the meantime, frame 3 is received by the receiver. So here actually consider 0, 1, 2, 2 is already there, 3 is expecting 1, 2. Okay, in the meantime, frame 3 also received. So next will be 0. Now expecting frame will be 0, but frame 3 already received. Okay, then what happened? It's sent, resent. So within this time period, the acknowledgement of frame 3 does not received by the sender. So what happens? Sender resent frame number 3 as well as frame number 0. Okay, so in the meantime, suppose if receiver receive frame number 3, when we received, that is it resent frame number 3 again, that is actually resend. So what happened? Receiver discard this and wait for frame number 3. So that means frame number 0. So that means, that is the thing is, when acknowledgement loss in the medium, then if the second acknowledgement, that is suppose acknowledgement 1, 2 are lost, acknowledgement 3 is received within this time span of this sequence number of this window, then what happened? It may, okay, they are not require any retransmissions. But if acknowledgement received after the time span expire, then it resends that particular frame, and all after all the sequence number it sends, all the frame it sends after that particular frame, all are resent again. Okay, so that is basically the drawback of go back in ERQ, because that is actually congestion occur in the medium, because same frame actually going on several time in the medium. So that is the drawback of go back in ERQ. What is the advantage of this? That is the advantage is, that is actually advantage over stop and wait ARQ. That is the basically the medium was idle in stop and wait ARQ, when basically one frame sent and wait for the acknowledgement, that part time actually medium is idle. But here that time second frame we can send. Okay, so that is the advantage of go back in ARQ. And drawback is that same frame we can repeat if any frame damage. So next frame is actually basically that particular drawback of receiver side, because the size of the receiver size is only 1. So that is expecting one frame, but it not outbound of this frame does not received by the receiver. So basically same frame that is actually received by the receiver, that is traverse the throughout the medium is okay, no damaged over here, but that is not received by the receiver. So same frame repeated again and again. So that is the drawback of go back in ARQ. So that is overcoming next ARQ protocol, that is selective repeat ARQ, that will discuss next. Okay.